Okay, here's what it looks like in track mode. It's the X and Y output to the scope in XY mode. All right. If I just flip it to, let's see, that is the Y signal coming off the Y output. That's the X, and that's in track mode. So that's X, that's Y. That's both of them together. Now I'll put it in test mode. That's what the test grid looks like. And if I put it in, that's what the X looks like. And that's what the Y looks like. And I get nothing on the Z output at all. The Z is dead. So that's just a quick little what it's doing.